Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to set your goal on WordPress. So after you're done with the payment method option in the previous video, then you show something like this on your video. Then once you do that on your main screen, so once you made the payment, then the next page of what you gonna have something like this, and that is when you can choose choose your goal. So right here, just go to apply to the goal of your choice, like you write and publish. Then if you want to make sale online, or you want to promote myself or business, you can easily click that. Or import exciting content or website. This is very important. Or others. Just that, then continue.